to take a minute to go over some functionality added to 4.47, which is our June 30th, 2024 release. Specifically, this is for those that are using a Planning Workbench. Generally, people that are scheduling within MRP within Vicinity would be using this. Specifically, one of the things that was asked was the ability to be able to drill or navigate from the Planning Workbench screen to an underlying transaction, in this case like a batch ticket or a planned order. In this case, I brought up a sample finished good that I've got in my demo environment, and want to focus our attention here on the details section. I've got a few batches, and then I get down, I think at the very bottom, to a planned order. We now have the ability to drill into a batch directly from the screen. So if you saw something that looked weird, maybe this quantity doesn't make sense, and we want to go figure out why that quantity of 2 is still out there, we can actually navigate directly to the batch, and we would end up seeing here's what I've got going on, and I can go make my decisions on what I need to do. But it keeps me from having to go out of the Planning Workbench to go navigate into the batch. The other thing we have is the ability to navigate into the planned orders screen. If you're not using this, you really should spend some time with it. It gives you the ability to edit a bunch of planned orders together, like move them. We're not able to do it today, so I want to move all of this work to another date, that type of thing. So it's a very helpful tool. But we're able to navigate directly to that planned order screen, so then from here I can go edit dates or quantities or things like that on a planned order. So anyway, the ability now to be able to navigate off of this screen, leaving the Planning Workbench open, so I can come back and look at something else or go look at other information, that's been added into this release. This came directly from some client feedback. We'd love to hear more items that you might be beneficial to you, and look forward to hearing your comments. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.